Welcome, in front of me is a XOLO Era 4X, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification screen on this device. So as you can see, the one in front of me is already locked, and yeah. So before we actually get started, there's a couple things that we will need. Well, number one is a internet connection, and that is a must, and number two is more depending on if your circumstance is the same as mine. So you might need a SIM card with a phone number. Now, like I said, I do not have one in here, but the device has a built-in number, at least on this device. I'm not sure if this is the same thing for all of the other devices. That's why I'm saying that you might need a SIM card. If you don't see a number, then that means that you just need to drop a SIM card in there and add one of your own. But to get started, let's go into emergency calls, tap on the emergency information twice, then edit and add contact. And you can see right here I have the XOLO customer care. So I guess this number is built into the phone. Even though you would reset it, it's gonna be there. At least that's how it looks like for me. But like I said, if you don't have this number here, if this space is empty and there's nothing in here, just drop a SIM card and choose one of your contacts. Just simply tap on by tapping on it. And once you do, you will have the contact right here. So emergency contacts, we want to tap on the contact itself, and it brings it up and gives you a couple options right here. So you can call it messages, but right here beside the edit you have the three dots. So you want to tap on those three dots and go into share, and you will see the share options. So from here you will choose Gmail, but instead of tapping on it, you actually want to hold it. So you will see that I'm holding it. If I could actually hold it correctly, there we go. There we go. So once you hold it for about a second or so, it will pop up with this window, and you have PIN and app info. So choose the second one, the app info, then go into app notifications, additional settings in the app right here, three dots again, and help and feedback. That's what the network was for, so we can now do a search and help and feedback. So you want to search for Morse code and use Morse code. There we go. So as you will see, there is a YouTube video. You want to tap on it, give it a moment for it to load, and then you will see that there is now three dots again on here. So you want to tap on that, and it gives us an option for watch later. And what this will do is open up browser, as you can see. There we go. So let's tap on accept and continue. No thanks. And then in the search field, you want to look for HardReset.info website. So let's type that in. Like so. And once you're on the website, tap on it, three bars right here, and go into the downloads. And in the download field, you want to search for Android 8. As you can see, there it is. So Android 8, search for it, and it gives you only one option, so the FRP bypass, so Google account protection bypass and Android 8 application. Tap on download, again scroll down, and you'll find the link to download it. Click on it, continue and allow, and download, and it's downloaded. So tap on OK and open. And before we can actually install it, we'll need to allow Chrome to install it. So let's go into the settings, allow from this source, go back, and now install. And once it's done installing, you just want to open it. And from the app, we're still going to start off with choosing the Google Account Manager APK install, and for version 6.0. Again, let's go into the settings, allow from this source, and go back and install. Now this time around, once it's finished installing, you're just gonna click on done, and it takes you back to the app. And from here, tap on bypass FRP, browser sign in, and then from here, tap on the three dots and select browser sign in once more. Confirm that by tapping on OK. And now we can log in with the Google account. So you can use your existing account, or you can create a new one if you wish to log into it. It doesn't really matter. Just any kind of account that you know the email and password for will suffice. So I'm gonna use my own. And I'm gonna put in a password for it. And then sign in. So you will see it's signing in right now, and once it's done signing in, it goes straight back to the app itself, and at this point we're done with the app. So what you want to do is hold power key and select restart. And as you can see, we're back in the setup screen. So in here, we're just gonna primarily skip through most of this now. And you will see that the moment we encounter the verify screen, it will actually now show that account has been added and will provide us with account that we have provided right before the restart. You can see it right here, HardReset.info YT, or HardReset.info YT. So just tap on next. And once more, you just want to skip through most of this. We're going to perform an additional hard reset of the device, so whatever we set right now will not really matter. So no thanks, and we should be right about done with the setup. There we go, got it. So once you're on the home screen, what you want to do is go into the settings. So let's pull down the notification panel and tap on the gear icon to go into the settings. And from here, we're going to go down to, I guess, system. Yep, it looks like it. System, reset options, and erase all data factory reset right here. Gives you a message that, well, this process will remove a bunch of things, including your Google account, and it provides the account right here. Now, this account is the one that I have added, but it also will remove the previous account that was blocking us from being able to set up the device at the beginning. And if you were to perform a hard reset of it right now through recovery mode instead of through here, the device will go back to being locked. So we're doing it through the settings, and this will remove both of the accounts, and basically at this point the device will be fully unlocked. So let's just erase everything and let the process begin. Now this will probably take a couple minutes, just be patient. And once it's finished, we should be back in the setup screen, and from there we can go and set up our device as however we like. And as you can see, now the process is finished. So once more, I'm just going to go to a quick setup, skipping as much as I can, but I'll briefly touch on the things that normally wouldn't be able. So number one, you can skip the Wi-Fi connection, which if the device would be still locked, you would actually have to connect to Wi-Fi, and then it will tell you that the device is locked. But this is not the case anymore, so we can skip it, connect to it, do as however you like. Everything will work just fine now. So let's just tap on next. You can add a passcode if you wish to. I'm just choosing to skip it for time. And there we go. So we're now on the home screen with the device being fully unlocked and ready to use. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.